Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add a second Google account to your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, we have to click right here in the bottom right corner of your display. Then click the gear icon to open settings. After that, go to Accounts menu on the sidebar and click Add Google Account in Additional Accounts section. Click OK. Enter the email or phone number for the second account. And press Enter. And then enter the password to this account. And press Enter once again. Agree to terms of service. And now we have our second account right here. If you want to remove it, just click three dot icon next to it and click Remove this account. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.